this question a lot. How do time fields work in ArcGIS Online? Well, a brief history of time zones can help answer that question. It all started in 1879 when Sir Sandford Fleming, a Canadian, invented time zones. He promoted them at international conferences, and by 1929, most major countries around the world were using time zones. In 1955, with the invention of the cesium atomic clock, timekeeping became a lot more accurate. And in 1960, the United States and United Kingdom coordinated their shortwave radio broadcasts of atomic time, resulting in Coordinated Universal Time, or UTC. In 1970, with the advent of computers, we needed a way for computers to read time, so we created Unix Time. Unix Time represents time in a single number, the number of seconds since the Unix epoch, or January 1st, 1970. But there is a problem. The Earth's rotation is gradually slowing, rendering Unix time and UTC time less accurate as we go forward. So to resolve that, in 1972, the UTC body agreed on leap seconds. And this enables us to account for the Earth slowing. So how does this all work together in ArcGIS Online? Well, in the backend database, time is stored in UTC-0 in Unix format. If you were to query that from REST, what would happen is it would return the time in UTC, but in human readable form. And if you access that same field in ArcGIS Online or in a web application, it returns it in human readable form in your local time zone. And that enables using the same time fields in ArcGIS Online worldwide. If that wouldn't make Sir Sandford Fleming happy, I don't know what would.